DeenKee Robot Vacuum running, and I just got him set up, charged up, and it's got a really nice remote. And I set it to normal fan, and it's actually going and doing a little bit of sweeping action there. And charged pretty darn fast. I was really impressed with it. Set it to schedule to kick off at 6:30, and that's where I'm at, so it's pretty cool. Seems like everything is possibly could be working on this is working. It's so cool how it knows where to go. Anyway, it's cleaned up really, really well. I mean, absolutely just, I don't even have the suction turned all the way up. Let's turn the suction up another notch. Oh yeah, that's got some suction going on now. Wow. Oh my gosh, it picked up everything. That is so awesome. It completely works. I mean, it's fast on the remote, programs well, easy. I mean, it took me like a whole 5 minutes to figure out how to use this thing. And it is doing real well. And it knows what not to go to. Just trying to go underneath my couch. Oh wow, there he comes. Oh, what a cool deal. I had to take something out. See, it wouldn't roll over that either. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, I'm going to the couch. That is just absolutely perfect. I knew exactly what it could do. Oh, that is so cool. I'm curious about this. We'll throw a shoe out there. Oh man, there he goes, right underneath the couch. And we have some really nice drapes back in there. I knew not to go near them. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. I want to see what he does with the shoe. Oh, that is just so cool. And it was picking up stuff even without. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Anyway, that is the coolest thing. Sucks up good, charges fast. I have absolutely no cons at all about this one that I can think of. I've never seen anything as accurate as this one. Works with Google, takes Google commands for my Google Home, which is everything I have in my house. That is just so awesome. And you not to go over the bag, isn't that something? Anyway, I'm really happy with this purchase. Probably the best robot man I've ever seen for a vacuum. That is so cool.
Recharging mode.
That's cool. I put it on recharging mode. I just want to see if it can find it. Let's see, okay. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. I don't have it tacked anything yet, but what in the world? Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, okay. This thing is flawless. I've never seen anything that goes around stuff and knows where to go and went all the way underneath everything. Oh, that is amazing. I am so happy with the purchase, and I can't think of anything. This is just so cool.